Good afternoon, folks. We're coming from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Today we're going to take you through our 2020 280 SLX. Let's start on the swim platform. You can see the whole swim platform is covered in the sea deck material, and the sea deck flows into the cockpit. This particular boat is blue on the exterior with a red gel stripe, and then you have the dune color scheme inside. You have an expansive space in the back for lounging or sitting down. As we walk inside, you can see the wraparound seating. I have the passenger seat turned back so you can see how you have wraparound entertainment. Then you have some other seating here on the starboard side of the boat. So this whole deck here, this whole compartment is storage for your covers, all your water toys, skis, your tubes. We have a nice refrigerator underneath the starboard side seat, and then looking back, you have two more compartments for storage as well as a remote for the stereo and wash down. So let's go back a little bit. Go forward here. Let's take a peek at the head. So if you look down in the head, it has the upgraded head system. The head with the blinds, the sink, countertop, and sea deck flowing down to the bottom. And then this boat is equipped with the power tower. By simply pushing a button, this whole superstructure comes down flush to the windshield. And behind the helm here, you'll see you have twin screens. You have twin Simrad screens. We have a digital throttle, and all your controls, your switching, your buttons are all forward with a tilt wheel and the Fusion Apollo stereo system. Coming forward, you'll see here we have the windscreen, and there's more storage behind that as well. Then you have your bow seating area, equipped with speakers, cup holders, and you have armrests on both sides. Plenty of room up here for entertaining. And then going forward a little bit more, you'll see the stainless steel windlass system that we have here. As you can see, this boat is equipped for anything you would need on the water. If you'd like to come in and schedule a showing on this boat, give us a call. It's 609-926-0600. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the water.